Hello everyone! Today we have a truly inspiring story about a lazy boy. By the end of this story, we'll discover how even a lazy person can change and become hardworking. And of course, while listening to this story, we'll also learn some new English words and how to use them in sentences. So stay with me till the end. Let's learn and grow together. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a boy named Sam. Sam was known in the village not because he was smart or strong, but because he was very, very lazy. Every morning, Sam's mother had to wake him up at least 5 times. Even then, he would groan and say, "Just 5 more minutes, Mom." He never helped at home, never studied properly, and always looked for shortcuts. But Sam wasn't a bad boy deep inside. He just didn't know why he should work hard. One day, Sam's father became very sick. The doctor said he needed rest for many weeks. Someone had to take care of the shop. The shop was their only source of income. Sam had no choice. He had to do it. But he didn't know how to run a shop, how to talk to customers, or how to keep the money safe. At first, he made many mistakes. He dropped things, gave the wrong change, and customers got angry. That night, Sam sat alone and thought, "I never cared before, but now my family needs me. I must change." From the next day, Sam woke up early. He opened the shop before anyone else. He smiled at customers, asked for help when he didn't understand, and slowly he started doing better. People were surprised. "Is this the same lazy Sam?" they asked. 1 week later, a man from the city came to the village. He said, "We are looking for a young boy to train for a big job in the city. He must be hardworking and honest." Everyone in the village pointed to Sam. They said he has changed. He works hard now and helps his family. The man watched Sam at the shop and was very impressed. He gave him the job. Sam's eyes were full of happy tears. He hugged his parents and said, "I used to be lazy because I had no reason, but now I understand. When people you love depend on you, you become stronger." So, what did we learn today? Being lazy is not a forever thing. Sometimes we just need a strong reason to change. Whether it's your family, your dreams, or proving people wrong, find that reason. Then no one can stop you from becoming your best self. Also, did you notice you just learned 3 new English words today? Shortcut, responsibility, and depend. Try using them in your own sentences. Now, if you liked this story, please like, share, and subscribe to Tales by Novira.